welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be sharing my tips and tricks and how I like to do my base makeup during monsoons. And monsoons are going on, so I thought this is the perfect time to share it with you all. I bet you guys, if you will follow all these makeup tricks, your makeup won't budge. So let's get started. So guys, for my makeup I'm starting off with a primer. I don't have any pores issues as such, so I really like to apply it all over my face just to give it like a smooth canvas and just to make my makeup stay for a long time. Now I'm using my favorite orange color concealer and I'm applying it all on of my troubled and discolored areas on my face. Now I'm going over with my skin color concealer on all the usual parts where I have done the color correcting. For my foundation, I'm going with the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a stick foundation. I like this foundation because it's matte and plus the coverage is buildable. Now comes my favorite part. I really like to dampen my sponge with lots of Makeup Revolution Pro Fix Illuminating Spray. I really like to dampen my sponge with it and just blend all my foundation and concealers with it. It gives me a beautiful dewy finish and I really like the way it looks on my face. So guys, no matter how dry your face is, your skin is, you have to apply a fixing powder or a loose powder to just set your base makeup. Otherwise it will just slip off and will just transfer to your phone and your clothes. For this, I'm using this LAKME 925 Primer Plus Powder Foundation. I don't really like this compact just because it does not have any coverage, but it does make my face look matte and just sets everything in place without giving me a coverage. Again, going along with the Makeup Revolution Pro Fixing Spray to just set everything in place. For my eyebrows, I'm using a single eyeshadow worth rupees only 260, and what I'm doing is I'm just mixing a little bit of the Pro Fix along with the eyeshadow, and I'm just doing and filling my eyebrows with it. For my blusher, I'm using the Miss Clear blusher in the shade 28. This again is really cheap, very pigmented, and I really like it. So guys, for my highlighter, I'm using the one from Makeup Revolution. For monsoons, I really like to just go with the liquid highlighters because they stay on for a really long time. Plus this one is amazing. It's very blinding. So guys, for my eyes, I'm going very basic. I'm just putting a brown color eyeshadow in my crease and using a glittery eyeshadow on my lid. It's just the basic eye look. I haven't gone crazy with it. I just wanted to show how the base makeup looks. And after my eyes and my eyeliner, I'm just again spraying my face with the Pro Fix. And for my lipstick, I'm using this one from NYKAA. So guys, I really hope this video helps you out, and if you like this video, please make sure to like this video and please subscribe to my channel. The button is down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.